Your push-ups aren't useless because you're weak. They're useless because your form is missing an action. You grind reps every day. Chest, arms, shoulders burning, but somehow your chest isn't growing. Your arms look the same, and your abs still hiding. Sound familiar? You've probably seen those comparisons. Bad push-up versus clean push-up. Same person, same body weight. But fix the form. And suddenly the chest pops, the arms thicken, and the abs actually show up. And yet, I'd bet 90% of you are still doing push-ups wrong. You treat push-ups like cardio. Fast reps, half range, zero control. Let me fix that. Push-ups aren't about how many reps you can do. They're about how well you control your body. If your form is sloppy, your shoulders steal the work. Your lower back gets abused. Your chest barely does anything. That's why people say, I do push-ups every day, but nothing changes. It's not genetics. It's not bad luck. It's bad execution. Body position, the foundation you're ignoring. A push-up starts before you even bend your arms. Your body should be in one straight line. Head, shoulders, hips, heels, no sagging hips, no P-tips, no snake-like movement. If your hips drop, your lower back pays the price. If your hips rise, you turn the push-up into a lazy shoulder plank. Neither builds muscle, hand placement. Stop random guessing. Your hands aren't decorations. They control everything. Place them slightly wider than shoulder width. Fingers pointing forward. Now, grip the floor like you're trying to rip it apart. This simple cue activates your chest, engages your arms, stabilizes your shoulders. Most people skip this and wonder why push-ups feel awkward. Here's where most push-ups die. Before your first rep, tighten your abs. Squeeze your glutes. Yes, your glutes matter. If your core is loose, force leaks everywhere. Think of your body like a solid plank, not a wet noodle. This one step alone fixes most bad push-ups. Now the actual movement. Lower yourself slowly, 2 to 3 seconds. Chest close to the floor. Elbows about 45 degrees. Not flared like chicken wings. Then push up with control. No bouncing, no half reps, no ego. Fast push-ups build sweat. Slow push-ups build muscle. If you're doing any of these, stop. Half reps, elbows, FLing out neck, craning forward. Speed over control. Fixing these doesn't make push-ups easier, it makes them effective. If you can't do clean push-ups, doing more won't save you. Instead, reduce reps. Increase control. Add pauses. Increase time under tension. 10 perfect push-ups will always beat 30 ugly ones. Push-ups aren't bad. They're not outdated. They're just done badly. Master the basics. Stay patient. Progress slowly. Do that and push-ups will finally start building real muscle.